Yo, what's up, guys? It's Leo here, and I don't know if you can tell, but I'm fucking happy as fuck, man. I am walking around my new car right now. It's so nice looking, man. Ah, that's it right there. 350Z 2003, and I got it for a certain amount of money. As you can see, the bumper is kind of messed up. It has rims, it has tires. The tires are not worn out or anything. The first thing I did to the car was paint the handles because I didn't like the color that it was. We obviously gave it a wash. It was super dirty. You can still kind of see some of the dirtiness that didn't come off. And the car has an air intake, and it has a cab back. It's also lowered, as you can see. And man, I think it was worth it. I'm so happy. You guys don't understand how happy I am to have this car. It is a manual. It will be my drift car. That's why I got it. I didn't get it to daily. I didn't get it to take care of it. I got it to drift it. That's what I will be doing right after I learn how to drive it. I did drive it home. I stalled it twice. Also, I got sponsored by Sturgeon Boost. I'm gonna put a link somewhere, and use my code LLANE, and you guys get, I think it was 10% off or 5% off, and you'll be supporting me. You'll be supporting to mod this car, to see new content. And thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Like I said, leave a like, comment, subscribe. Just look at that ass. Oh my god.